It's time for another safe and sane video demo for you. And tonight we have an awesome, brand new for 2025 fountain from TNT Fireworks. It's called Rootin Tootin. And I'll tell you what, that's one thing we do here on the BBQ Rando Ranch. We have a Rootin Tootin, good-looking time here, you know what I mean? Yeah. So I'll tell you what, this guy, now this is all plastic. This guy, look at the shape of him. I think he's great. He fits right in here to the ranch staff. We're going to flip him around. There he is. He was $5. Glow fuse, which I've actually never really seen work. But you can see here, here's all the different colors, if you can see it, down by his boots, that he's going to be displaying here. Nothing on the side. So I'm going to flip him back over this way. All right. Rootin Tootin, are you all ready? When it gets dark, oh yeah, we're gonna have a showdown here with Rootin Tootin and see who's the real sheriff here on the BBQ Rando Ranch. Let's go! All right, partner, we made it to the launch pad with Rootin Tootin from TNT. Let's see what this old Wrangler can do. Light that fuse. Let's get away. Whoa. Whoa! Beautiful red flaming glow on the bottom.